Alright, how's it going everybody? Welcome to the Overnight Millionaires Crave YouTube channel. And on this channel, I like to talk about how to make money with ClickBank, wealthy affiliate, and just affiliate marketing in general. And the last thing I do like to cover on this channel is getting your mindset right and altering your mind so you can become successful. Alright, now today we're going to be talking about how you can make your first sale or consistent sales rather utilizing ClickBank. If you don't have a ClickBank account, you can come over here and hit that sign up button. It's going to take you through a form. You're going to put in your information and then you're going to be good to go. Now ClickBank isn't available in every single country, so there are alternatives that you can use, like Digistore 24, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, and any other ones that you might want to actually promote. Alright, and so after you've signed up, and this is a free strategy by the way, so after you've signed up, you're going to come over here to the ClickBank marketplace, and you're simply just going to hit the search button. Alright, and then once you're on this page, it's going to show you some products that you can promote. You can promote any products. You can literally promote any products in any niche you want. The three main ones though, of course, are e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, and the relationship niche. Those are like the evergreen niches, and there's a lot of competition in those, but with this competition, hey, there's money to be made. Am I right? Alright, so you're going to sort it by gravity, and like I said, you showed you go up to sort results by gravity. Alright? And then it's going to show you all these products you can promote. You're going to want to look through the affiliates page on these, look at the sales page, so you really get an understanding of what you're promoting, and that's going to help you out in the long run. Alright, and so for this one, I've already chosen the product that we will promote for this. It's in the health and fitness category, and it's called Proven, and as you see, it has a gravity of 579, and all the gravity score is how much affiliates have actually successfully made sales with the given product within the last week, like 2 weeks or month or something. It's within that time frame, and so you're going to want to look for that. As you see, the average sale, so on average you can expect to make $145 per sale. And what I do want to say is I would try to promote maybe high ticket offers, because it's just as much work for a high ticket offer to make a sale with a high ticket offer as opposed to a low ticket offer. It's the same amount of work. And so you're going to see this promote button, and you're going to click that, but we're not going to do that right now. Now that we've gotten the product, we're going to come over to Google, and we're going to type in proven reviews, and it's going to show you a whole bunch of stuff. Proven review scam, weight loss, skincare, Amazon, YouTube, skin, Reddit, reviews, peptides. So there's a few different ways you can go about keyword research. You can do the alphabet soup method, which is going and pressing A, and then seeing your results and pressing B. and then you can press C, and then, you know, I, L, you know, so there's a lot. And then you can even do this in Google's keyword planner. They have a good one, but I use Jaxi. It's my #1 recommended. It's my #1 recommended keyword researching software. And as you see, I've already typed in proven reviews scam. And so, with that being said, it's going to show you a whole bunch of stuff. It's going to show you like the average searches it gets per month, the average traffic, the QSR rating. All these are great stuff that you can use. And it's going to show you a whole bunch. But let's type in proven reviews weight loss. If I can even spell. Oh, as you see, I messed that up, so I'm gonna have to search that again. I accidentally got carried away with my S's. Alright, so it's gonna show you a whole bunch of stuff. Like I said, get QSR rating, get QSR, get QSR. You're gonna want to get your QSR rating for all these. And this is going to show you how much time it's being searched a month. Generally, I would go for at least if it has 500 for the method that we're going to be showing you today. At least if it has 500. And this shows you the expected traffic you can expect to get if you get on page 1. Alright? So, this is how many websites are promoting that or targeting that keyword, and this is saying this is a great one to target. Proven reviews weight loss. SEO is going to be 97, which the SEO score on Jax basically just means if you target a keyword, you're likely to get ranked on page 1 for that given keyword. Alright, next, so we can just type that in, and all these are ads, so people are actually paying for those. And I don't want to go to YouTube, so let's go to here. Let's just press this one, and you're going to want to come over to Medium. And if you don't have a Medium account, all you have to do is simply create a Medium account. It's free. It's free to join. Alright, you're going to click on your profile picture here, and you're going to do New Story. And now you're set up for your story. And you're going to want to get how many keywords are on this page. Or not keywords necessarily. Couldn't quite get all that. So I'm just going to scroll down. And as you see, they have ads on this, so they're making money with this. And so that has 1,500 keywords, or 1,500 keywords, no. So after you've found out, okay, there we go, 2,400 words. So you want to create come back over to here, and for now we'll just do proven reviews. Wait, loss. We'll just put that in there for now. And what you're going to want to do is just, you're not going to want to copy. Do not copy this article and paste it. Google doesn't like that. It's plagiarism and it's illegal. Do not do that. Your post won't get ranked. Google don't like duplicate content. So you're just going to want to model this. For instance, I mean, I'm going to copy and paste this just for time's sake. I'm just going to copy and paste that just so I can show you what you're going to do. Alright. So you've copied all that. You've copied all this, and now what you're going to do is you're going to come back over to the marketplace. You're going to click on this promote button. Up this window's going to pop, and you're going to type in medium and generate hot links. Then you're just going to click on this button, or you can highlight it all, but I just prefer clicking on this button. You're going to close that, and throughout this post you're going to, let's just say, if there are, well, since it's going to be your article, there's not already going to be links in there. You're going to have to create all this content yourself. And just for time's sake, let's say I wanted to put my affiliate link here. I just highlight it, do that, copy paste, click off, and that is my thing. And you're going to want to put a few call to actions in here, like click here to get the #1 weight loss supplement. And then, you know, you're gonna want to do this. You're gonna want to put some images in here too, and put it a few times throughout your article. Now, everybody says you can't put affiliate links on Medium, but that is false. With Medium, you can put affiliate links. You just got to put a disclaimer. Say something like, you know, you got to put a affiliate disclosure. This article contains affiliate links in the post. You do not need to purchase anything, but if you make a purchase through my link, it's bothering me that that's wrong. And get Grammarly, guys. It's gonna save you a lot of headache. Through my link, I will receive a commission. Alright, so just make a affiliate disclosure. Yeah, spelling errors. My spelling is not on point today, guys. That's why I got Grammarly. But as we said about how much words they used, 2,400. I would write a 4,000 word article in your own words, in order to rank for this keyword. Alright, I would write 4,000, try to write 4,000 words. If you can only write anywhere from 3 to 4 is perfect for this. Like I said, add pictures, and then you're going to hit this publish button. I'm not going to do this because I just copied some of somebody else's article, and you're going to well, I'll just publish but I'm not going to hit publish down here. You can schedule it for later even, and you can add tags to get people to see it. Weight loss. Type in weight loss tips. Lose weight, maybe. Lose weight. Health. Healthy lifestyle, maybe. So you want to add some tags, and then you're going to post this. And a tip is, I'm going to tell you, come up with a really catchy title. Try to come up with 6 headlines, and use sub-headlines in there too, but try to come up with 6 different topics to talk about. And like I said, try to write at least 3,000 words, depending on the keyword you're targeting. But just model what's already been done, and you will succeed. In it'll be indexed by Google. Medium has an authority rating of, I think it's like a 96 or it's a 94. It's really high. So if you want to do this for free, and you don't have to have your own website, use this Medium. Medium's here to help you. And all you're going to do is publish the article. It might take a little while to index, but once it indexes and ranks, you're going to start seeing some sales. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also click that first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to make money online. And the second link in the description is going to be to Jaxi. Jaxi is a really powerful tool, and I recommend it for anybody. Great for the beginner. Alright, peace.